This year we celebrate our 5th anniversary of the Ocean Marina Pattaya Boat Show. The lineup is more boats than we've ever had before. Boats from 2 metres to 30 metres. We've really got boats for everyone to see. What's more impressive is the diversity of the exhibitors. We've got property, we've got water toys, we've got water sports. Really excited about the diverse range of exhibitors at this year's Ocean Marina Pattaya Boat Show. Recent changes in the interpretation of the rules now makes Pattaya and the Gulf of Thailand a more attractive destination. We're going to see more boats coming to the Gulf of Thailand now that they can stay longer and they've got time to explore the islands, which are absolutely magnificent here in the Gulf of Thailand. They can also take advantage of the excellent repair facilities available to them, which are comparable to anywhere in the world. Ocean Marina Pattaya Boat Show is now firmly on the regional boating calendar. It's an excellent platform for B2B and B2C, and with our close proximity to Bangkok, it's an excellent location for the Thai boating market. Ocean Marina Pattaya Boat Show is very interactive. People have the ability to go out on a free yachting experience where they can jump on a catamaran, go out and experience what it's like at a boat show. Great food and beverage stalls, and every year it seems to get better and better. We have the networking party, which enables exhibitors to interact with yacht club members and other invited guests. It's a great leisure experience, which is really unique about the Ocean Marina Pattaya Boat Show. The thing that makes me most happy is when I hear exhibitors say they've sold that many boats this year, or they've sold that many water toys, that many condos, but also visitors who tell me they've had a great experience, they've learnt this or they've learnt that. And that's what I really enjoy from the Ocean Marina Pattaya Boat Show.